Hi everyone, this is Abby, your DaVinci Resolve Certified Trainer in Dubai, and I would like to welcome everyone to Simply Resolve. So for today, we are going to explore the DaVinci Resolve interface. As we all know, DaVinci Resolve has been the standard for color grading for the longest time, but then Blackmagic Design, when they acquired the assets from DaVinci Systems, they improve and develop the software and the hardware into a full non-linear editing system. So today, we are going to explore the different pages available inside this software. So I want you guys to be familiar of the different tools inside DaVinci Resolve so that it can help you with the projects that you're going to create. So DaVinci Resolve is organized as a series of interface pages. Each page is accessed by clicking one of 6 buttons at the bottom of your screen. You have your media page, cut, edit, fusion, color, Fairlight, and then deliver. So this corresponds to the order of the most traditional film and video post-production workflows. The media page is the most efficient page for importing and organizing your media, syncing clips and adding metadata, and even cloning camera original. So the media page, you have to utilize this before you begin every project. The cut page, on the other hand, it is meant for quick edits and even publishing. So if you are working on video blogs or online content, the cut page is designed for you. DaVinci Resolve has 2 editing environments, the cut page and the edit page. So the edit page is for craft style editing and long form projects like films, TV series, and even commercials. So the edit page contains all of the professional editing tools you'll need to assemble your program and add titles, transitions, and effects. The fusion page is a complete 2D and 3D compositing application for visual effects and motion graphics. Like the color page, the fusion page also works in nodes. The color page contains DaVinci Resolve's world-class color correction and creative color grading tools. This page also contains the keying for stabilization and even filter effects. The Fairlight page is the complete digital audio workstation that has everything you'll need to deliver incredible cinematic soundtracks. While on the deliver page, this is the last page in DaVinci Resolve, it is meant for mastering to tape, create files for the web, and even output high-resolution files for theatrical distribution. So that is the DaVinci Resolve interface for you. Thank you for watching Simply Resolve. Again, this is Abby, your DaVinci Resolve Certified Trainer in Dubai. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you and thank you.